Hello, I'm Ashley with Cool Kids Knit, and today I'm going to show you the purl stitch. For the purl stitch, you're going to turn your work. This is how you know you're on the purl side when you see these bumps along the way. That's a good indicator that you're on the back side and working your purls. So the first thing you're going to do is insert your right needle, making sure that the working yarn is in the front. You're going to insert into that first stitch through the front, just like that. Then you're going to take your working yarn and loop it around the front needle from the back to the front, so counterclockwise. This is what it should look like. So your yarn is in between, and then you're going to carefully take your right needle in between that loop, bringing along the working yarn as well. And you're going to slide it off the left needle. So it's on your right needle, and that's how you know it's worked, when it's on the right needle. We'll do it again very slowly. With your right needle, you're going to insert in the front, take your working yarn, and wrap it around that front needle from back to front. And then you're going to slip the right needle through that loop, taking along the working yarn, and pull it off. So then we'll do this again. Right needle inserted, wrap the yarn around that first needle, and slip it in between that loop and off the needle. Wrap the yarn and off. So you'll keep purling until the end of the row. And just like that, and then you're ready to work the knit row. You can see the difference here. The knitted have those little nice V's, and the back side, the purl side, has the bumps. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and leave them down below. Otherwise, happy knitting.